Hi, I'm Barbara Koenigsberg, the cleaning lady. Ed Koenigsberg and I are the critical cleaning experts at BFK Solutions.
And I'm Ed, the rocket scientist. We help manufacturers with their product cleaning. This means that you can achieve profitable and efficient manufacturing.
To illustrate why cleaning is important, let's start in the kitchen. Let's say you're doing a dinner party and you look at the walls, they're totally gross. There's grease, grime, soot, spaghetti sauce, who knows what else. You say, I can't deal with this, and you paint over the walls without cleaning them. You know what happens next? The paint peels off the walls.
If you don't clean properly during manufacturing, what happens is the product will fail. And it may fail during the assembly, it may fail after you've delivered it to your customer, or even worse, it may fail during use.
So let me give you a few examples. I love a clean airplane. Not just the tray table, but the engine, the navigation system, and last but not least, the landing gears. Doctors get vexed and perturbed, to say the least, if implantable medical devices are not clean. They get similarly vexed if reusable devices become contaminated. That's just icky. You may think you're driving a beautiful computer, but you're really driving a car. And you're driving not just on software, but on really complex, sophisticated hardware. If that's not clean, you are stuck in the repair shop reading old magazines and drinking coffee. Last but not least, if you buy a new faucet, you've spent your money on a beautiful, gorgeous faucet. You want the coating on that to stay beautiful.
All of these problems can be avoided by having the proper cleaning processes. Cleaning, it's not just mindlessly scrubbing away at the parts. You don't want to think of it as punishment for a poor job performance review.
That's correct, Ed. As a matter of fact, you want to get the folks who are on the management track involved in cleaning, because they'll be involved in the whole supply chain, in learning chemistry and physics, and really how the product gets put together. We teach cleaning. We're going to be explaining things like residue removal, selecting the right equipment, and how to know how clean is clean enough, which means understanding analysis.
We put together the book on critical cleaning. We write and we teach because, frankly, we don't know everything. And this is one of the ways we ourselves learn.
Wait. You know what? You said we don't know everything. Do you realize that goes against our oath as to consultants to admit we don't know everything? But in fact, we're always learning. And we'd like you to keep learning about critical cleaning as well. So, check out our website, sign up for our newsletter, and we'd love to hear from you. So by all means, give us a call.